Welcome to another video of Makwala Agri. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my morning routine at Makwala Agri. So first thing that we're going to be doing, we're going to be irrigating our crop. So remember we planted tomato and our green peppers. So we're using a drip irrigation. That's my favorite one. The reason of using a drip irrigation is that tomatoes, they don't want to be watered on the leaves, so you water the roots. And then I also checked the ones that have died, and then I took them out. So that's my morning routine on the crop. So as my irrigation system was busy irrigating the crop, I went to my chicken house. So our chicks have turned 1 week, and then today it's day 8, so they turned 1 week yesterday. And remember, I said I need to remove the newspapers because now I've seen that my chicken feet are dirty due to the litter on the newspapers. So as today is day 8, we lost one of our chicks, and when I was checking it, seems like it's because of the stampede that happened during load shedding, because I didn't use my backup system for breeding. But yeah, man, I began removing the newspapers on the floor. So then in the couple of minutes I was done removing the newspapers, and looking at my wood shaving looks good, and I saw that my chicken is feeling cold. So I was like, hey, let me quickly give them a stress pack just to calm them down. Like I said, we're gonna be giving them stress pack for the next 2 weeks. So from day 1 until day 14, they're gonna be drinking stress pack. So then I refilled my drinkers, and then I also refilled my feeders and took them back to my brooding space. In a couple of minutes I was done and I was ready to leave the house. So I've closed the curtain that I've separated my house from the brooding corner to keep my chicken warm, because when I was busy removing the newspaper, I realized that they were feeling cold. So this is how our house looks like now. They look very nice and they look very healthy. We just lost that one, like I said, because of the stampede that happened during load shedding. As soon as I finished with my chickens, I went back to the crop and checked if all the plants were irrigated, and then my irrigation is working properly now. So yeah, I realized that no, everything is okay. All my crop looks good, and all my crop and my irrigation system is working. So I went back and turned off my irrigation system, and then that's all I had for you today at Makwala Agri. Thank you.